Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide your binge watching history on Netflix. If you want a clean slate for new recommendations on your Netflix account, here I'm going to show you how you can delete the view history or the watch history on your Netflix. So what you need to do here is just open Netflix and click on your profile in here. Then go to the account settings. So click on account, scroll down and go to the manage profile option. So if you have more than one profiles, you need to select the profile that you want to delete its view history. For example, I'm going to delete this one right here. Then you can just scroll down until you find the viewing activity options. Click on that. Here you'll see the list of movies and shows that you watch, including the dates in here. And to hide or to remove it from the list, you can just click on this icons right here. And it will be hidden from your watching history. You can do this for lots of show or movies that you want to hide. So it will be saved automatically, and if you're done, you can just close this. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.